Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Gemini. Welcome back. And sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so for today, meron tayong special love reading for Valentine's Day. So, tingnan natin ano ba yung energy na masasagap ko for the Gemini Collective. At habang binabalasa ko itong cards, okay, so nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng Gemini na sumusuporta sa channel na to. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And ayan, sa mga bago, please support this channel. Subscribe na po kayo para mag-grow yung channel na to. And para makapag-create pa ako ng love reading. And hopefully, mag-improve na rin itong setup ko dito. Ay, maraming salamat. Okay, so like na this video, subscribe na rin po kayo, share this video sa iba pang Gemini na kakilala nyo, and comment na rin kayo sa baba if nag-resonate siya. Okay? So, also since this is a collective reading, gusto ko lang i-remind kayo na this may or may not resonate. Okay? So, kung hindi mag-resonate, huwag niyong pilitin. It means na hindi para sa inyo itong love reading. So, abangan niyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? And kung gusto niyo rin ng personal reading, pwede po. Okay? Nasa description box naman yung email address ko. So, message niyo lang ako para mag-inform. Okay. So, kumusta ang araw ng mga puso? Anong ganap? Meron ba? Okay lang din naman kung wala. Okay. So, pero tignan natin ano bang masasagot kong energy. Sige, simulan natin sa overall energy ng reading na to. Pangalawa, for February. Innocence. So, this is for me, innocence. I mean, this card may bring something parang new love, a fresh start in romance, or alam mo yun, may bagong makikilala and magkakaroon kayo ng getting to know stage. And also, of course, innocence in a sense, di ba? Okay, so alam yung di ba pag inosente ka like a child na parang, uy, inosente pagdating sa pag-ibig, ganyan. Pwedeng this would be your first ever romantic experience. So, ayan. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin ano yung energy na, ay yung detalye ng reading na to. Sige, isa pang balasa. So, second card ulit. Oh, the star. Oh, innocent nga. The Hermit. Oh, Page of Wands. King of Wands. Oh, the Lovers. The Sun. Oops, the Tower. And last. Ten of Swords. Okay. So, yan. Sige, tingnan lang natin. Huwag mangamba. Okay, so there's a strong energy of Aquarius in this reading, Virgo, and Leo, and Aries, saka Gemini. So, meron kayong 5 major arcana sa reading na to. Okay? And yun yung pwedeng signs ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to. Um, and since lumabas din tong The Lovers, which is strong Gemini energy. Ayan. So, para sa inyo itong reading na to. Pero, sige, tingnan natin. Ano ba yung mga kaganapan. So, there's, uh, you're really hoping na magkaroon ka ng love life. Okay? And this Valentine's Day, or this month, buwan ng mga puso, may darating na person. Okay? However, since parang bago nga to sa'yo, I can sense na ito yung energy kasi is innocent. So, I think this is the first time that you feel na parang nai-in-love ka na, ganun. So, or then yung darating na person or dumating na person sa life mo is, it's a new feeling kasi, di ba? Parang first time mo nga na ma-in love. Okay, so, and dahil dyan, di ba? So, meron kang parang tinatry mong mag-reflect and parang pinaprocess mo yung emotion na nararamdaman mo ngayon. Kasi very fresh siya, very, yun nga, as shown here also sa page of Wands, which is hard of, alam mo yun, parang, a card of spontaneity, new beginning. So parang, yun nga, ang bilis nung mga pangyayari na bigla ka na in love, tapos na gugulat ka kasi bago tong feeling na to. For you, it's very, parang, yung kilig nandun, pero yung also yung alinlangan na tama ba itong nararamdaman ko? Ganyan. May ganung energy siya. Pero, ang sagot, kung tama ba itong nararamdaman niyo, syempre tama. Hindi naman maling maramdaman in love. Okay, so, King of Wands is just, the universe also telling you to be honest about what you're feeling. So, there's, and to take action din. In a sense na, ito, di ba, naguguluhan ka, so upuan mo siya. You really have to reflect on it and talagang namnamin mo because yung nararamdaman mo is love. True love. What I mean is na not this person is your true love. What I mean is yung nararamdaman mo ay pag-ibig talaga. Hindi mo na kailangan na parang maguluhan pa kasi love yung nararamdaman mo towards this person. And it's making you happy, di ba? It's making you happy. Di ba? Kasi itong bagong feeling na to, parang ang sarap niya, di ba? Ang sarap na in love. Tapos lalo kung bago mo siyang bagong experience siya sa'yo or ngayon mo lang siya naramdaman. However, there will be some challenges. Okay? May magbabago or may ma-reveal sa connection na to. Okay? And brace yourself lang. Okay? That this may not be the person naman na para sa'yo talaga. Okay? And though enjoy mo lang, for me, yung experience na to, enjoy mo lang. It may not be the person for you, but while experiencing this connection, enjoy mo lang. Okay? Because may ma-reveal, possible na dun sa person mo, yun nga, may it may not be reciprocated, but okay lang. Ayun, ibig sabihin, may ibang tao na ma-meet mo na siya yung para sa'yo. But for now, di ba, since bago nga tong feeling, enjoy mo lang. Okay? And if hindi mo siya mag-workout, then just let go. Di ba? At least na-experience mo yung feeling ng in love. Diba? Pero clarify natin, ano ba yung reason for this tower moment? Okay, tingnan natin. Second card. Oh. So, Page of Swords. And tingnan natin itong Ten of Swords. Oh, this is the Hanged Woman. Okay. Sige. So, yung si Tower is clarified by the Page of Swords. And, ayun nga, kasi meron parang hindi niya i-express nga yung nararamdaman din niya sa'yo. Pwedeng gusto ka rin pala ng person, pero hindi niya express. So, parang na-in love ka na, pero hindi siya, kahit gusto ka ng tao, alam mo yun, pwedeng may fear siya na fear of commitment, or may fear siya na ma-in love din sa'yo ng todo, or may mga wounds pa siya na kailangan niyang i-heal in the past. So, hindi niya express yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. So, and that would lead to a tower moment in the connection. Okay? So, yan. And, yung sa Ten of Swords naman, okay, clarified by the Hanged Woman or Hanged Man, okay, because ayun, may uncertainties nga, parang hindi rin sigurado yung person na to towards you. Kaya I can sense na this is not really the person for you, pero while yung love na nararamdaman mo is enjoy mo lang, di ba? And eventually, if hindi siya mag-work out, you fully let go. And ito din naman yung sinasabi ni the Hanged Woman, wherein you have to also take a pause. If this tower moment happen, that may lead to you na manghihinayang ka dahil sa hindi nangyari itong connection, diba? You just really have to accept the situation as shown here by the Hanged Woman. And yun, so sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. And if not, yun, yung pilitin, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang yan sa aking channel. I'm Mystico Moreno. In short, miss mo. Ingat!